Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to fuse Brainrots with your plants in Plants vs Brainrots. It's super quick and easy. First just head over to the fusion machine like this. This is where the magic happens, and then place the plant that you want to fuse, and once it's in, the machine will show you which Brainrot is needed for the fusions like this, and then just place your required Brainrots, and then after that just tap on fuse like this and wait for a few moments while the fusions complete. And okay, once it's done, just check your inventory. You will see a new fusion creations, usually combinations of the plant and Brainrot's name. Like for example, my dragon fruit plant that fused with banana tina became dragon fruitina dolphinita like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.